Hey, this is Bob, the Tiny House Builder. I am so excited to show you this unit today. This is our first fully off-the-grid unit with 6 solar panels on the roof. Has plenty of battery storage to make it through even the cloudiest and rainiest of days. So it's starting to rain right now, so let's go inside. So although this house is very unique from our normal design, it still has our very traditional bathroom. This bathroom is able to incorporate our standard full-size shower. The customers wanted a toilet that could be off the grid, so we went with a Nature's Head composting toilet. It was also important that we had plenty of room for storage, so we went with a cabinetry above the toilet, a vanity mirror, and a large vanity cabinet. In the floor of this bathroom, we also were able to incorporate storage. So as we come out of the bathroom, we come right into the kitchen. Now there's a couple of unique features here. The customer wanted this live edge countertop that he actually made himself, and we just installed it. This is actually a piece of walnut, pretty heavy material, but I thought it made for a really nice detail. Now right in between this ledge and the stove is a lot more storage in the kitchen floor. This kitchen also incorporates a large size refrigerator, full-size stove, and range hood, our signature deep kitchen sink, also a combo washer and dryer. Now the entire bathroom and kitchen are actually elevated about 15 inches off the main chassis floor. And the reason we did that is for a couple of different reasons. We wanted to add an architectural difference to the living area and the kitchen and kind of break up those spaces naturally. Also, it was important that the customer have an 80-gallon freshwater holding tank that was insulated. So that's actually under the floor, centered on the axles. But also the in the floor storage, the only way to really accomplish that is to do exactly what we did. Now let's go check out this loft. Now one of the things about this loft that makes it kind of unique is the customer wanted plenty of room for their king-size bed, but also ample headroom. So what we did is we changed the heights of the 2 roof lines and made this one a little taller. We also incorporated our beautiful cedar into the ceiling, which I think adds a really nice detail. Now you're probably wondering where all those batteries are stored for the solar kit. They're actually behind this panel. And one of the things that we decided to use on this house that's unlike any other solar kit we've used is we decided to go with the Humless system. Now, the nice thing about that is it's an all-inclusive system, and it only weighs about 330 pounds. Also, with a lot of solar kits, they use NiCad batteries and other types of batteries that off-gas. This is a fully enclosed lithium-ion battery system. It's ultra light, super smart, and when you touch this, it's going to tell you all about how the house works. Well look, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and share it. And also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. It's still raining, so I'm gonna go inside. Have a great day.